Chapter 6. New Materials. People are making new materials all the time. We use them to make bigger planes, warmer clothes, thinner televisions, and products that are better for our world. Silicon. Microchips are electrical parts that control computers. People make them from silicon, a material that we get from silica in sand. To make microchips, machines use chemicals to put tiny electrical parts onto pieces of silicon. When computers work, electricity goes through these parts. Before microchips, electrical parts were very big. The first computers were as big as a room. Modern computers are very small because we can put millions of electrical parts onto one microchip. Microchips are used in cars, televisions, washing machines, and many other things that we use every day. Fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables are long plastic tubes with transparent fibers inside. The fibers are made of glass or plastic, and light can travel through them. We use fiber optic cables to send signals like television pictures and phone calls around the world. Doctors use fiber optic cables with cameras to look inside people's bodies. Liquid crystals. Liquid crystals are like liquids, but electricity makes the minerals inside them move. This makes the liquid crystals change color. People use liquid crystals to make pictures on LCD televisions and computer screens.
Discover!
Liquid crystal glass is transparent when electricity goes through the glass. When you turn off the electricity, you can't see through it. Composite materials. Materials have different properties, like being strong or transparent. Composite materials are made by weaving, using molds, or fixing two materials together. They have the best properties of both materials. Composite materials are very light and very strong, so we use them to make things like fishing rods, tennis rackets, and planes. Some composite materials are made of plastic, glass, or metal fibers. You can weave them into special clothes. Some of these clothes are stronger than steel. They protect police officers from people with weapons, and they protect firefighters from fires. Aerogels. Aerogels are made from chemicals like silica and carbon. Silica aerogel is the lightest material in the world. It's difficult to see because it's 99.8% air. Hot and cold don't go through aerogel, so people use it to insulate things like windows, machines, and special clothes for astronauts. Recycled materials. It's bad for our world to throw away too many things. This uses energy and materials and produces waste. It's good to recycle as much waste as possible. Then, in factories, people can make new materials from these recycled materials. We use new materials made from recycled plastic inside cars because these materials are light and strong.